Welcome back to Auto Garage, the channel where we bring you the latest, the fastest, and the boldest machines shaping the future of performance. If you're a true car enthusiast, you already know the Porsche 911 Turbo S isn't just a sports car, it's an icon. And in 2026, Porsche has taken this legend and elevated it to an entirely new level of engineering brilliance. The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S continues the timeless silhouette we all know, but now it's sharper, more aerodynamic, and more purposeful than ever before. The front fascia has been resculpted with wider intakes for improved cooling, while the active aerodynamic seamlessly adjusts to driving conditions. From the rear, the updated light bar stretches in a sleeker form, and the signature wide hips remain, reminding everyone this car means business. Underneath its iconic body lies the heart of the beast. Porsche has refined its 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six engine, now producing an astonishing 670 horsepower and 640 pound-feet of torque. That's not just raw power, it's precision. Paired with Porsche's lightning-quick PDK dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive system, the Turbo S rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, cementing its position as one of the quickest production cars in the world. Top speed: an exhilarating 211 miles per hour. But the 2026 Turbo S isn't just about acceleration, it's about control. Porsche has equipped it with a new generation of adaptive suspension that reads the road in real time, keeping the car composed whether you're carving mountain roads or attacking the track. Rear-wheel steering ensures agility at low speeds and stability at high speeds, while carbon ceramic brakes provide the stopping power you need when pushing limits. Step inside, and Porsche once again proves that luxury and performance can exist in perfect harmony. The cabin is wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, with subtle carbon fiber accents throughout. A fully digital curved display integrates seamlessly with the latest Porsche communication management system, offering everything from advanced navigation to real-time performance data. Of course, you'll find wireless connectivity, immersive audio, and even AI-assisted driving modes for city commutes. What makes the Turbo S truly special is the way it connects driver and machine. Porsche hasn't sacrificed purity for technology. Every turn of the wheel, every press of the throttle, every shift, it's all designed to make you feel alive behind the wheel. The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S represents over half a century of evolution distilled into one machine. It's faster, smarter, and more refined, yet it remains faithful to what made the 911 a legend in the first place. So, what do you think? Does the 2026 Turbo S live up to the legacy, or has Porsche redefined the supercar for a new era? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to Auto Garage for more reviews of the world's most exciting cars.